We all lie frequently to get out of situations that are stressful or unpleasant. But a little harmless lie or an excuse is different from lying to gain advantage over others or to put someone in harm's way. Though it could be hard to tell if someone is lying, some human behaviors can reveal if a person is lying. Here are the signs that may indicate that a person is lying to you. When a person lies, his facial and body expressions change. Law enforcement officers and criminal investigators often pick up on these subtle changes in expression and body language during interrogation of suspects. Even if you're not trying to find out who robbed the bank, knowing how to detect lies can be helpful in making more sound decisions. Chemical reactions and nervousness cause physical reactions in people's bodies when they lie. It is important to know how a person in question normally acts. So, if it is a salesperson trying to convince you that he's offering you an amazing deal, observe him and have a small talk with him to know how he reacts normally. Gradually, when you ask important questions and there are changes in his expressions and body language, it may suggest that he is lying to you. Here are the changes that indicate that a person could be lying. Change in speech pattern is often an indication that something is off and different from how the person usually states facts. If you observe a person's regular speech and see changes in his or her speech pattern on a particular topic, then it could indicate that the person is lying. According to FBI criminal profilers, liars tend to use gestures with their hands after they speak as opposed to during or before a conversation. Sometimes people's gestures don't match their words as the brain is involved in too many activities while making up a story, and thus they tend to focus on words rather than gestures. When a person has just woven a story, anything asked beyond the storyline could surprise the person in question. Liars are likely to offer few or no details about the story. American Psychological Association refers to these people as liars who deceive by omission. You can try a little test by asking questions on details of the story. A truth teller will stick to the same story while offering more details, but liars may slip, add non-congruent details, or change their story. Saying too much is also a big giveaway. Sometimes people who are lying add too many details to their story. They may also add words that a person telling the truth would not usually use. Liars tend to use more profanity, third-person pronouns such as he, she, and they, and less first-person pronouns such as I, my, and mine. Every person has a normal pitch while speaking. That could be high or low. A change in pitch may indicate that the person is lying. A person may speak loudly while lying or in a low voice. If you are familiar with how the person in question normally speaks, then you could pay attention to detect a change in their pitch while speaking. Sometimes people have subconscious gestures that can give them away while lying. Some people cover their eyes or mouth while lying, some close their eyes, and some fidget by repeatedly licking their lips or looking at their nails or shaking their head multiple times. Any gesture which seems out of the ordinary indicates nervousness or tension that comes with lying. Some people even point literal and figurative fingers at clothes to shift the blame. The bottom line is to go with one's instincts and make well thought out decisions. It is possible for people with high emotional intelligence to detect a lie. It is also possible to know when people we are familiar with are lying by comparing their speech and gestures. But remember that truth is subjective and people may have their own versions of the truth. For more on behavioral patterns, psychology and health, tune into ShowFit.